Recall the rules for assigning oxidation numbers. The oxidation number of an element in its free elemental form is always 0. Hydrogen bonded to nonmetals is assigned an oxidation number of +1. The sum of the oxidation numbers of all atoms in a neutral compound must equal 0. Assign oxidation numbers to the atoms in the reactant molecule H2O2 and hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Hydrogen is assigned its standard oxidation state of +1. To maintain electrical neutrality for the compound, the sum of the oxidation states must be 0. 2 plus 1 plus 2 oxygen equals 0, therefore 2 oxygen equals -2, therefore oxygen equals -1. Oxygen carries an unusual -1 oxidation state in peroxides. Assign oxidation numbers to the atoms in the product molecules H2O and O2 in water. H2O, hydrogen is +1 and oxygen has its standard oxidation state of -2. In diatomic oxygen gas, O2, oxygen is in its elemental state, meaning its oxidation number is 0. Compare the reactant and product states to identify redox changes. Hydrogen starts at +1 in H2O2 and ends at +1 in H2O. Because there is no change in its oxidation state, hydrogen is neither oxidized nor reduced. Oxygen starts at -1 in H2O2. Some oxygen atoms are converted into H2O, changing from -1 to -2. This decrease in oxidation number, gain of electrons, represents reduction. Some oxygen atoms are converted into O2, changing from -1 to 0. This increase in oxidation number, loss of electrons, represents oxidation. Conclude the reaction type. Because oxygen is both oxidized and reduced in the same reaction, a process known as a disproportionation reaction, option C is the correct answer. The correct answer is option C. Oxygen is both oxidized and reduced.